For our next section of the digraph classroom, we're going to be doing some spelling and some rearranging of letters to make some words with our digraphs. So on our purple screens, you have a picture with the digraph that goes in that picture. And then at the top, you have how to spell that word. So we're going to first make it. So I'm going to make the word shark by pulling down the letters I see in order. I see an S first, then an H, then an A, then an R, and finally a K. And I just made the word shark. Then I'm going to use my resource up here, or the one that I just made, and I'm going to spell it in the bottom box. So I'm going to take my mouse over top of the question mark, double click 2 times so it turns blue, and that means I'm ready to type the word. So then I'm going to look on my keyboard and I'm going to look for the letters that I need to spell shark. S-H-A-R-K. And I just did the word shark. Then you're going to go on to couch, mouth, phone, and whale.